Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about places for which you can get your content ideas from. Some people say, okay, I'm having content block, I don't have any video to put out on my channel, or I don't have any content to create for today. I am here to solve your problem. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button right now, click on the notification bell, and give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. And remember, stay from beginning to end. In that way you don't get to miss anything. Let's get right into the video. Back to my channel. Okay, so the worst thing that could happen to any content creator is having content block. But you having content block is not a bad thing, because I have content block, you have content block. Okay, and all you need to do is to make sure that you stay focused. Okay, if you're having content block, take some time to rest. Take some time to rest from the content that you're creating from your channel. If it's for you to take a break, don't take a break and stay for so long, because just take a break, come back re-strategized, and come back to your channel and start creating content. But for today, I'll be showing you places that you're ignoring that you can get your content ideas from. First and foremost thing that we'll be talking about, or our first point for today, is whereby you are getting your content ideas from the comment section. Now, I've told people, try as much as possible to read your comments. Try as much as possible to connect with your audience. Try as much as possible to connect with your subscribers. Some of our subscribers leave content ideas for us in the comment section. Maybe you might have created how to make egusi soup. Jollof rice will rest today, but if you hear jollof rice, please pardon me. How to make egusi soup. And you will come to your comment section and a subscriber might tell you, okay, now you have created egusi soup. Please, can you show me how to make onugbo soup, or how to make vegetable soup? But some people, they don't even read their comments, and that content idea will pass you by, and it's something that you know that you can create on your channel, and it aligns on your niche. So try as much as possible to read your comments, read your comment section, read your comment section, relate with your audience, relate with your subscribers. Do not ignore any content idea that people drop in your on your community or in your comment section. Okay, this is the first place that you can get your content ideas from, in the comment section. In your comment section, there are so many videos like all this masterclass that you see me doing. Those ideas are from the comments that my the people that commented in that particular video left, and I created content around that. So our first point on where you can get your content ideas is whereby you're getting your content ideas from the comment section, which your subscribers might have. Another place for which you can get your content ideas, like where you can legit get your content ideas from, is whereby you watch people's video. I can't overemphasize on that, because it's where you support others by watching their video. That is where you will get a content idea from them. But some people, they will not support, they will not watch, nothing, and they say, I'm having content block. Now who they do? Now yourself they do, not be me they do. So getting content ideas from other people's video, they call it video inspiration. You inspired me to do this particular video. Now let's say, for example, you watch my video on how to make soya beans powder. Okay, and you will say, okay, why don't I make a video on how to make soya milk? You might watch another person's video, and it's a video on how to make jollof rice, and you say, okay, why don't I create a video idea on how to make stew base for jollof rice? You might watch Zilicious or Sisi Yemi video, and they made soup with 1,000 naira. You will say, okay, why don't I make my own soup with 2,000 naira? That is where you're getting your video ideas from, by watching other people's video. You might watch maybe all this my UK relocation, all these my subscribers, or yes, people where they do UK relocation. You will go there, you will see, okay, this person created a video, waiting me that in new news for new immigrants. You will go your own research and say, okay, let me create a content around things that immigrants that are coming to UK should come with. I don't know if you're getting me. So getting video inspiration from other people's video is something that you shouldn't neglect. Okay, watch other people's video. From other people's video, someone might create video on a day in my life in Abuja. Now you will say your own, okay, why don't I create my own a day in Abuja, or a day in my life as a civil servant living in Abuja? Is a content idea. Okay, so watching other people's video is ways for which you can resonate. Hey, Shebi is the right English. Resonate your own content idea. That way you're creating it on your channel. So getting video ideas from other people's video is another way for which I get my own content ideas from. So do not neglect that. If you can relate to someone's video, let me say a parenting video or a motherhood video that someone must have dropped on her channel, maybe giving birth through CS or giving birth through vaginal delivery, create it on your channel, okay? It's a content idea that people can relate to, because it's not about creating content, it's about your audience relating to that particular content for which you have dropped on your channel. So getting video ideas from other people's content or other people's video is another way for which you can get your content idea. Another place for which you can get your content idea is VidIQ. Some people, I don't know if you know this app, I'll just be leaving a picture here. So this is VidIQ, and every day they drop daily ideas. Daily ideas is that if you log into their app, it's a legit app, please, and they're also on YouTube. You can check them out. They do YouTube masterclass, and they do tips on how you can grow your channel. Now they have an app, VidIQ. When you go there, they drop daily ideas for which you can create on your channel. You might go there and you will see, okay, what example? I'll just be leaving it on the screen. And it might be how to make jollof rice. Like if you go there, you will see so many daily ideas that they drop there. From that place, you can pick up 1 or 2 content ideas for which you can create on your channel. So I don't miss going to my VidIQ every day. In that way, I will see the daily ideas for which they have dropped for me there, and I will create the content around it. So VidIQ is another app for where I go that they drop daily ideas I know that I can create on my channel. If it aligns with what your niche is all about or what your channel is all about, why not? If not, create content around it. So VidIQ is another place for which I get my content ideas from. Yes, another place for where I get my content ideas from is Reddit. Now Reddit is another app for which I get my content ideas from. I'll be leaving a picture of what Reddit is or how Reddit looks like. Now if you log into Reddit, Reddit has different communities, YouTube communities for which you can join, and that way this is what I do. When I go to Reddit, different communities, they have new YouTubers, they have how to get views. I will go there, people drop questions. You might see someone come there and say, okay, how do I get more views on this particular video? Or you will see someone drop, choose any of these thumbnails for me. Now, when you go to the comment section, I always read people's comments there. If I go through people's comments and the ideas for which they have dropped in choosing thumbnail, I will create a video around it. I will say how to make a clickable thumbnail. You will do tips on how to grow your channel with the ideas for which people have dropped in the comment section. When I go to people's video and watch their video, when I'm watching their video, I'm scrolling through the comment section, especially these people that do tips on how to grow your channel. I go through the comment section. Going through people's comment section, you will see some video ideas for which you can create on your channel for which you don't even know. So Reddit is another place for where I go in getting my own video ideas, okay? That is another app for which you can download on your phone, and it's a legit app. But disclaimer, Biko, not be me get the app. Oh. You will need to be careful in any app that we are logging into. But Reddit app, I make use of Reddit app, and I make use of VidIQ app. Now, yes. Another way or another place for which you can get content idea is your intuition. It's not intonation. Intuition, yes. Now, some of us put off or bluff off some of the content ideas that come to us. Please, I don't want you to be doing that. Any content idea that comes to your mind, write it down immediately. Like if I'm taking my bath, I have filmed like 5 videos in my brain when I'm taking my bath, because I will say, okay, let me create this content idea. I'll be saying in my mind the things that I will say in that video. And once I come out of the bedroom, I don't write down bedroom. Sorry. You know, say na camera they use film this video, so the battery went off, so I changed battery. Thank God I saw it on time. So make sure that you write down any content idea that comes to your mind. If you see me like this, when I'm driving and a content idea comes to my head, I will look left, I will look right. Hey, ndio ibandi anambra bia right, light. I will look left, I will look right, I will look back, I will park my sister, my brother. Once I park there, if it's a video that I need to film immediately, I will film that video immediately. If it's just a content idea that I need to write down, I will write it down. I've told people writing down your content ideas is going to help you. Any video that you want to film, like right now, this video I'm filming now, this is too bright anyway. This video I'm filming down, I wrote the content ideas down so that I don't get to forget whatever it is I'm saying. Make sure you are writing down your content ideas. Once it comes to your head, please write it down immediately. I also have a video on my channel on different content ideas for which you can create. I will be leaving maybe in the description box, or I'll be tagging it here. Different content ideas that you need to be creating for this 2023, or all through in your channel. Maybe you haven't been doing that. Please and please do not bluff off videos ideas that come to your head, because you don't know the video idea that will blow you. You don't know the video idea that will go viral on your channel. All you need to do is to be trying out different things on your channel that aligns with your niche. Yes, you don't know, you might be saying, okay, I'm already making a content on vlog and lifestyle. What need am I also bringing cooking in my channel? Do you want to open up a new channel for cooking? When your channel, you can bring in cooking in your main channel. You can do your vlogs, do your lifestyle, and do your cooking in your main channel. So you don't know whether it's that cooking video that people might love on your channel. When you see something that people love on your channel, start creating it. If you now need to open up a new channel in order for you to showcase other niche or other initiative that you have that you want to put out for people to learn, create another channel for that. But if it's only one thing that you're creating in your channel, maybe you are only doing vlogs and you can cook, why are you not cooking in your main channel? Why would you want to create another channel just for cooking? Anyway, I'm not here to dictate to you, but I'm telling you to try out different things on your channel and know the one that your audience love. Me is not your audience. You is not, okay, you is my audience that is watching this video, but is you me, is you me, is me you, So you don't know the content idea that will blow up your channel. So do not neglect or bluff off any content ideas that will come to your head. Some people will say, why am I carrying people along a day in my life? Or why am I, if you're comfortable bringing your family for us to watch, that's fine by you, but it's a decision that you need to make with you and your partner. If your partner loves camera or don't have any problem with you making video with him, why don't you make a video with your husband? Some people, sometimes they like aproko, we just want to see things where they do for your life, but me, anything where you put out, me go watch you, but no beside they can't do aproko. But anything where you show me, even if you show me where you're drinking yogurt, I will be there to watch. Even if you show me where you girl propose, I will be there. I will be there to do with you. Yes, love stories are very, very important and relaxing for people to watch. So if your partner is someone that loves camera and don't have any problem with you making video with him, bring him to your channel. If you need to carry us along, going to the market or going to the typical village where you buy things, I've told people, please do not neglect any content around you. Some people will say, okay, I'm in the village. What content idea will I create in the village that people will love? Why would you say that? Show us how to break firewood. Yes, it's a content idea. Show us a day. I will be taking you to the farm today. Follow us along. Or follow my parents to the farm today. How to plant cassava. A day in the farm. A typical day in the life of a village girl. Whichever title that you need to show us. Take us to your village stream. Yes, do not neglect any content idea. I say it, do not neglect. And do you know that people create content, rain beats, where rain is falling? Yes, people create content around it. They post it on their channel and their video is going viral. Just search now, rain beats. You will see people that have created content around that. And it's even now rain is coming. I will do it. People create content around it. And people are watching because it's very relaxing. If you take us to the waterfall now, that waterfall that is falling, people love it. People want to hear it. So please and please, do not neglect any content idea that comes to your head. But when you're creating that content, please and please, put it in a way that people can relate with it. If you need to start that story with a hook, start it with a story. Hook people. Let them stay glued in that particular video. And they will watch from beginning to end. So, listening to your intuition. Anyway, you people know the English. Listening to your head and listening to your heart in any content that comes to your heart is ways for which you can create your own, ways for which you can get content ideas that you need to create on your channel. So I think these are the places for which I get my content ideas from. Now, if you have other ways for which you get your content ideas, please drop it in the comment section. We are here to learn. And remember, we learn every day. Knowledge is power, okay? If it's something that you want to write for us in the comment section for us to learn with, please Leave it in the comment section. Me too, I'm learning. Anyone want to learn, I will come and teach you people. So anyone where you learn, teach me in the comment section. Because, and if you have other content ideas for which you want me to create on my channel, please leave it in the comment section. I am here to do the Lord's work. Oh, Nello, don't teach us. We are here to do the Lord's work. Oh, so please leave in the comment section any video idea that you want me to create on my channel. Please, I'm here to deliver. And I know you enjoyed this video. Not if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Click on the notification bell, click on the subscribe button, share this video. It's very, very important because some people might be having content block, and some of the content ideas that I mentioned here will help them in their channel. So please, any good thing that you do, hey, no kwatu kana cousin man, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, share this video, and other content ideas that you have, please drop it in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I guess if this thing has been recording. And good quality. Hey, Jesus, this thing has been coming. But because I wasn't looking at myself.